students, following question is from test series 3, subject signals and system, chapter introduction to signals and system, and the question is asked for 1 mark. Question is x of n is defined as x of n is equal to 0 for n less than minus 2 and for n greater than 4, otherwise it is 1. So we are supposed to determine the value of n for which x of minus n minus 2 is guaranteed to be equal to 0. So first of all, let us plot what is x of n. So if we are plotting what is x of n, what we will get is starting from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, this is minus 2, n equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rest part it is 0. So this part is nothing but our x of n. Fine. So now what we can do is, now let me plot. See, first of all we will plot x of n. Now from x of n we will go to x of n minus 2, that is delayed by 2 units, and next we will move to x of minus n. Let me rewrite this. Yes, minus n minus 2, that is now time reversal. So first, if I am doing the delay, the sequence that I will get is, the new sequence would be, yes, since it is a delay, it would start from here. Yes, like this. Yes. Now this would be, since it is n minus 2, so it will start from 0 delayed by 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes. Now finally what we have is the time reversal. So for time reversal, what we take is, we will flip this one. So now it will start from, just to start from 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So this is 0 to minus 6. So from here we can say that our signal is 0 for n greater than 0 and n less than minus 6. That is nothing but, if you look into the option, n greater than 0, n less than minus 6, that is nothing but option C. Thank you.